Algebra topic polynomials and partial fractions. Overcoming the 2025 O-Level surprise. Outline: Decoding 2025 Paper 1 GCE O-Level Additional Math MS. Mastering cube-related factorization identities and do the practice questions. Have you tried question number 3 from the 2025 Paper 1 yet? Tested algebra topic polynomials and partial fractions, but with a twist. Here is a modified version of that exact question to show you what went down. Question 3a. Factorize a cubed minus b cubed. 1 mark. How do we solve this? Remember, factorize means to express an algebraic expression as a product of its factors. This means your final answer must involve bracket. But what exactly do you write inside that? The first bracket is simply a minus b. The second bracket is a squared plus ab plus b squared. Notice there is no 2 in the middle term. Is it really sufficient to just write one single line? Yes. Writing a minus b, a squared plus ab plus b squared is completely enough to score the full 1 mark. For a 1 mark factorization question like this, the single line acts as your final accuracy mark. You do not need to show any derivation or long division. So, can you recall the identity we just looked at? A cubed minus b cubed equals to a minus b, a squared plus ab plus b squared. Just one line. Easy, right? Provided you memorize it beforehand. While the sum and difference of cubes are called components of the O-Level Math Syllabus 4049, neither of them is given in the official SEAB formula sheet. But what if your mind goes blank during the exam? Let me teach you the SOAP rule to save you. Let me teach you SOAP 2, SOAP. Memorize the formula using the SOAP mnemonic 2. S, same sign as the original expression. O, opposite sign of the original expression. AP, always positive. SOAP, S, same sign as the original expression a minus b. Same sign as a cubed minus b cubed. O, opposite sign of the original expression. The opposite sign of a cubed minus b cubed is plus, so plus ab. AP always positive, plus b squared. Make no mistake, question 3a was a massive surprise when it dropped in the 2025 exam. Why did it catch so many students off guard? Not on the formula sheet. As mentioned, SCAB doesn't provide it. The 10-year trend. From 2014 to 2024, cubic expressions were almost exclusively tested using standard long division or the remainder and factor theorem. The school only myth. Many schools taught this as a secondary 3 shortcut, but Cambridge had never tested it as a direct standalone recall question until now. Now, let's tackle part A2. Hence, state a factor other than itself and 1 of 1110 cubed minus 999 cubed, 1 mark. The keywords here is hence. You must apply your answer from part A1 by comparing 1110 cubed minus 999 cubed to A cubed minus B cubed. We can see that A equals to 1110 cubed and B equals to 999. A equals to 1110. B equals to 999. So first bracket, 1110 minus 999 gives 111. In the second bracket, 1110 squared plus 1110 times 999 plus 999 squared, you get 3,338,991. Since the expression split beautifully into these two parts, a factor is simply 111 or 3,338,991. You only need to state 1 for the mark. 3b. Use part A1 to prove that x plus p cubed over 3 minus x minus p cubed over 3 is divisible by p. 3 marks. In the exam, you have about 4 minutes for a 3-mark question like this. Take out your foolscap paper and a pen. Pause the video and try solving it right now. Ready? Here is the full presentation steps. Let's see how your working compares to the official exam standard. First, we factor out the constant 1/3. This gives us 1/3 x plus p cubed minus x minus p cubed. Now, let a equals to x plus p and b equals to x minus p, and apply your difference of cube identity. The first bracket becomes x plus p minus bracket x minus p. The second larger bracket becomes x plus p squared plus x plus p times x minus p plus x minus p squared. Let's simplify. In the first bracket, x minus x cancels out, and p plus p, we get 2p in step number 4. Combining this with our fraction outside gives us 2 over p, 2 over 3p multiplied by the expanded second bracket. Because p is successfully factored out as a term on the outside, the entire expression is a multiple of p. Therefore, it is proven to be divisible by p. And so, you have secured a total clean 5 marks from this algebra topic, polynomials and partial fractions. By watching up to this point, you should have fully mastered the difference of cubes identity. A cubed minus b cubed equals to a minus b. b a squared plus ab plus b squared. But here is the million-dollar question. What about the sum of identity cube? The sum of cube identity flips the sign. A plus b. A squared minus ab plus b squared. Use your SOAP rule here to verify the sign. SOAP. Today, the sum of cube identity has not yet appeared as a direct question requiring you to regurgitate it from memory. But in the world of O-level MS, when Cambridge tests one half of a family of formulas, the other half is almost always lurking just around the corner. If you are sitting for your O-levels in 2026 or beyond, a sum of cubes question is highly anticipated. In this lesson, we have covered both the sum of cubes n difference of cubes, factorization identities. You absolutely need to memorize both. Since Cambridge has officially introduced this family of cubic expansion identities, they are completely fair game for future exams. Within the MOE, Ministry of Education syllabus blueprint, both carry the exact same weight and priorities. Is more memorization the only way out? Not necessarily. There is an alternative algebraic method you can use to derive it if your mind goes blank during the exam. Key takeaway: having a backup plan is great, but honestly, is it fantastic news that we can just memorize this one line? Yes, because it means zero lengthy working steps for a 3 month. Now it's your turn. Here are 2 practice questions for you to do based on today's lesson. That brings us to the end of this session.